All right, traders, what's up? It's Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, September 28th. A little bit of a tail there on the daily on the SPY. If we go to intraday, sold off all morning and then had a pop in the afternoon. I think somebody said maybe because there was a whiff of a rumor of the government shutdown not going to happen or something. When I'm actually in the camp, they should shut down for a decade. I think everything would run smoother for you Office fans. When D'Angelo Vickers got injured and then the Office just had no manager, remember? Ran great. I think that's kind of what we need. But anyway, back to the daily. So we got a little bit of a bottoming tail on SPY. We'll keep it on watch. But here is what I'm watching for hopefully some trades tomorrow. SLNO, you know what? Wait a minute. I might take this one off. Let's see. It's trading at, wow, okay. Closed at 2067. I think they announced an offering. And I'd forgotten about that, so I was going to take it off. I was going to put this on Bounce Watch because it had this big crazy move, and then it had the red day looking for a third day play. Then I heard the offering, so then I thought, well, why is this even on watch? And now it's trading at 22 something. So I am going to put it on Bounce Watch for a third day play because it after the offering announcement, you could argue it's holding up pretty well. VSAT just goes back on Bounce Watch. NEE. Pretty ugly day today. I'm going to put that on Bounce Watch. You guys know what we look for bounce plays. LAC, several days in a row down to that area with the most recent low from mid-August. So a good setup for a possible snapback bounce tomorrow. Obviously only with an A+ setup on an intraday basis. V is Visa, which is pretty much straight down, getting right to that last area that it bounced off of. So if it's going to bounce, that would be an area to watch for. So we'll see. Another bounce play, Pepsi, PEP, is just starting to accelerate to the downside. You put the horizontal line there, and it's done pretty well off this area right back here. So that one goes on Bounce Watch. NKLA is just holding up pretty well after this big volume run, and now you're kind of flagging. Still not a very pretty daily chart, but it did get some momentum on that big volume run. So BHVN, nice pop today, closing off of its highs. Going to put it on watch. TAL, if I put a horizontal line there, you can kind of see that it broke out today, but it's also the second, maybe the third, maybe the fourth day in a row that it's been running. So really feel like it needs to come in, but I'm going to put it on a chart. GLTO gapped up today and topped out at the 3/4 number at exactly 75 cents. So it is kind of interesting over that tomorrow. GEO broke out above this horizontal line here, but closed well off its highs. I'm going to put that one on a chart. Now, a few potential gappers tomorrow. We'll see if they're still gapping in the morning. One of them is GRTS, which as I'm talking to you is trading at $1.72. So right about where that green line is, trading all the way up here. Actually had a nice sounding headline. Let's see if I can't find it real quick. All right, I can't find it. Anyway, oh, there it is. They were awarded a BARDA, B-A-R-D-A, contract to conduct comparative phase 2B study evaluating next-gen vaccine candidate for COVID-19, valued at up to $433 million. So that's a nice sounding headline on a $1.19 stock, or I should say a $1.72 stock right now. It did top out at in after hours, at least so far. After hours still going on at the whole number 2, so maybe that becomes relevant tomorrow. But anyway, there's a potential gapper. Let's go to 5-minute candles real quick, and I'll just show you the after hours. All right, so there's the spike to 2, came back down, literally round tripped, I think, and now it's getting some upside volume. So certainly going to be on watch. Peloton, PTON, some sort of collaboration, a 5-year collaboration with Lululemon. So this one got a big pop, but it's come back down right at the 520 there. See if it holds. Anyway, if that one's still gapping in the morning, it's got potential. And then ASNS getting a big pop in after hours as well. I think they might have had earnings. They achieved third-party validation for FIPS cyber protection standard required by government agencies. So there you go. It's trading at $1.53, and there's the daily. So it is gapping up to, I don't know, right, look at the horizontal line right about there. Anyway, not in love with that, but we'll see. If these are all gapping pretty strong tomorrow, we may get an A+ gap play set up. I'm done babbling. I'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning. Have a good night.